We are trying to fix that one. It's still raining. We have cut it out. And there. Just go, I will come. Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Right now right now we will be going for swimming. It's already 3 and it's getting dark, and also it's starting to rain. Not really rain, but drizzling, but it's fine. Unplanned journey is always the best. It's raining already, but I don't know how will we manage to swim. It's so cold. It's in winter and it's 3. So let's go. It's getting dark, it's raining. I hope we will be able to swim. This cow is chasing me or what? Yeah. Just go. It's fine. Whew. It's already 3:30. It's getting dark, plus it's showering, so but it's fine. I'm meeting them after so many years, and I might never meet them again. So we are just going. We took some Maggi, some sinju and all, and then yeah, it's already late. Oh, the road for going swimming, it has changed a lot now. See, it was all jungle like how we used to go, but now it's changed. Now we will go and swim because we run. It's already hot, but I don't know. But it's winter, you know, right? And Meghalaya is so cold, and I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But it's fine. Like and subscribe. We have reached. I just came back from market. I didn't even change my dress. It's cold, I know, but for memory, right? We are going. Wow, so change. If you watch my video regularly, it was not like this, the swimming place, but it has changed a lot. Wow, see, damn, it was not like this. Wow, oh my god, there we used to swim, now it's changed. See, totally changed. Rich, and then now we will make fire. We will cut the cabbage and all. Some of us will start swimming. I don't know if I will know how to swim or not, but then if it's cold also, I'm going to swim anyway because I came here for swimming, right? So let's go. It's already getting dark. Who is that? We have reached. Hi. We have reached. You also. Okay, we'll start swimming now. Let's go. It's so cold, but then we are still going to swim. Why here then? It's okay. Damn, so cold. This part is very deep, and even there. Go. I know you can do it. They went to take wood. Yeah, there. fine. The water is quite fine. Jump! Wait, I'll take video from here. Go, jump! Fast! It's very cold, yeah. Jump! Okay. It's staying outside, out of the water for too long. It's called jump fast. Jump. Don't walk time. Fast. Now your turn. Jump.
Sister, I record only for you, okay? As we walk to the left and walk to the right. Up there!
If you need to swim, it's cold, but not very cold like how we expect, and it's raining now. You can see. So they are making fire. We'll make sinju, we'll eat food, and then we'll go back when the rain stops. It's cold, but it's good. Please like and share and subscribe. It's raining. It's raining and we don't have place to stay. Somehow we are staying under this. But we cannot sit together. We are waiting for the rain to stop. I hope it will stop.
Where?
Here when you're making.
You should take now. Take now. YouTuber is there and how?
It's why I'm telling you two to take. For me, I'll go and wash clothes. Wow, it's raining.
Yeah. I already. Oh, the rain is raining now.
I saw there, that side. See.
Bro, if you move it again, how man? Yeah. But
Be careful, okay? You'll fall down inside.
oh, inside then. Yeah. Stop now, are. When we are kids, we used to say no. If you stop, then
It's like rain go away from another.
Check then put it
What?
put in your container. Check it okay.